Okay, so here, the chemistry class has basically, what we've done is we have a flask, and in each of these flasks is 100 milliliters of vinegar. Now, vinegar, as you might know, is actually acetic acid. Yay, okay? And we have balloons attached, and in each balloon is baking soda. Yay, which is NaHCO3. Okay. And we have little placards here that say how much baking soda is in each of the balloons. Now what we're going to do is flip the balloon up, and a chemical reaction will happen, and it will bubble and fizz, as you might know that baking soda and vinegar do, and we're going to see what happens to the reaction. Now, as a quick preview, I wrote here, if we were to plot amount of baking soda in grams versus the amount of reaction, what would you guys hypothesize might happen? Like, what would be the shape of that curve?
It would be like a hump in the middle.
A hump in the middle. So it goes up and humps and down. Okay, that's one hypothesis.
It's just going to be a straight line up.
Second hypothesis, straight line up.
I was thinking like curved, but it doesn't like fold it back down.
Third hypothesis, like that,
Yes.
is something like that. Any other hypotheses? Okay, so now what we're going to do is the drama, the excitement of baking soda and vinegar reacting. So can whoever, and we'll just have people come up in the order they did it. I actually did a couple of them, and I might ask you guys to flip those. So whoever did flask 2, if you could come up, and then we'll just kind of sequentially go through here. And if you could start with flipping 1. Flip 1 first. No, not just the balloon. So lift the balloon up and dump in all that. Oh, look at all that. Ooh. Yeah, there it goes. Look at all that baking soda that went in. And if you look really closely, you can see, look at that chemical reaction. Wow. Is that exciting or what? And let's focus in on the balloon. How dramatic. How super dramatic. All right, and notice that was 0.1 grams of baking soda into the vinegar. Okay, now go ahead with 2 there. Oh, wow. A huge burst of vinegar went in. This is 0.5 grams of vinegar. Oh, and look at this balloon. Oh, it's almost looking like it might be inflating a little itsy bitsy bit as it continues to bubble. Okay, now, if we could have flask 3. This one had 1 gram. In it goes. We have a serious reaction. Oh, look at that balloon. Look at it go. It's inflating. It's almost like, wow. Oh, it's just so dramatic there. Okay, now we'll go to flask 4 at 2 grams. Whoa, that's already standing up. Okay, then let's go to flask 5. Flask 5 has 5 grams. And it's reacting like crazy. Now if we could have flask 6. And it goes up into the balloon here. Flask 6 had 10 grams. And now we have flask 7. Wow. Oh, what drama. What excitement. Okay, and do you want to do this one too? Because I think I did this one. This is now 20 grams. Flask 7 was 15. This one's 20. Once again, it goes up into the balloon. It's reacting like crazy. Okay, thank you. And so we see, we started with almost no reaction, then there's a little itsy bitsy bit, and then a little more, and then a little more, and then what happened here? Other than our balloons kind of flopped. What happens to the size on these ones? Do they continue to get bigger, or does it level out? Yeah, it levels out. And did it curve level out, or did it kind of go up and then plateau? Plateau. So there we go. And so see if you can explain kind of what's going on there in terms of the drama of baking soda and vinegar reacting in an Erlenmeyer flask.